Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galax GeForce RTX 2070 Super, and this is actually their Work the Frames branding, so it's going to be a little bit different. So this is the box, so Galax GeForce RTX 2070 Super, GeForce RTX 2070 Super Work the Frames, 8GB with HDMI and DisplayPort, and 90mm fans. I just noticed, work the frames, WTF. Anyways, Turing GDDR6 ray tracing cores, NVIDIA DLSS, and that's it for the front of the box. Turning it to the back, and you'll be getting a lot more information in a sense. So, well, basically it's just normal information. It's not really a lot more. NVIDIA highlights, and so game ready drivers, and just a lot of information. So let's go into the box. So inside the box there's another black box that says what's your game, and then opening it up, so you get some paperwork which essentially just shows you how you're going to install the graphics card in, and also the software that you can use to actually turn it on and then install drivers, etc. So very good for new people. And then in this box, so obviously you have the cables, and that's about it for accessories. Now the one thing that I'm looking forward to is taking a look at the card itself. So it's still brand new. Oh wow. The first thing that automatically caught my eye is this really eye-catching backplate. So there's the whole galaxy on it in a sense. So this is really nice. Like when you install into your PC like this, you're going to be able to see it on the top. So yeah, a very nice touch. On the front, where it will be seen through your case, the Galax logo, GeForce RTX, and they've got this really nice design. It's textured, and yeah, there is like a certain kind of protrusion from this. So if you can see it, it's protruding out slightly here. So you get this 3D effect when you put it into your case, and obviously the design looks nice. The fan part also, if you're going to mount this in a vertical position, would also look pretty good. They have some blue accents on this, and these are their new fans. So basically with this Work the Frame series, it features a new shroud design. So this entire thing is the shroud, new fan blades, fancy backplate, and obviously these are all going to light up in RGB. The logo here definitely lights up in RGB. So yeah, basically that's it for the card. I don't really think there's much else that I can cover with this. Okay, that's been it for the unboxing of the Galax GeForce RTX 2070 Super, and yeah, I'm really going to have to get a proper test bench out so I can actually test out the performance, the RGB fans, the lighting on this, stuff like that. Yeah, anyways, remember to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!